Hello, I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons, we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now that we've learned some notes, let's talk about rest. A note is when you play. A rest is when you're silent. In those breaks, I rested or was silent. So let's find out how long or short these rests should be. Just like with the notes, quarter gets one beat. So quarter note gets one beat, a quarter rest gets one beat. A half note gets 2 beats, a half rest gets 2 beats. And the half rest kind of looks like a little hat. So if that helps you, hat, hat, half, hat, half. If that helps you, remember that. Half looks like a hat. The dotted half gets 3 beats. So the dotted half rest gets 3 beats. Now the dotted half rest isn't very common. We'll see it much more later on in higher levels. But at this point, you probably won't see it very much. Usually when we need 3 beats, we'll just have a half a half rest and a quarter rest instead of an actual dotted half rest. So this is only used for certain other circumstances. But for now, I want you to see the pattern, so we'll go ahead and include it, even though it's really not very common. And then the whole note gets either 4 beats or the entirety of the measure. And for right now, it's more common entirety of the measure, because we're probably not going to be dealing with a measure that has more than 4 beats. For right now, we'll probably be dealing with 2, 3, or 4 beats. So it's unlikely that you'll have, say, a whole rest and then for 4 beats and then another note. So usually whole rest is for the entirety of the measure. Even if it's used in, say, to be like the measure is 2 beats, so it would be for the whole measure, or the measure is 3 beats, it would be for the whole measure. Okay, and then eighth note would be half a beat, so eighth rest would be half a beat. So we have quarter rest, 1 beat, half rest, 2 beats, dotted half rest, 3 beats, so this is less common. Whole rest, the whole measure, and eighth rest, half a beat. And that covers all of them. I'm going to leave this one out. I just wanted you to see the pattern, but I'm going to leave this one out for now, and we'll do the rest of them. The quarter rest, there we are. There's our quarter rest. And on the reverse side, quarter rest equals 1 beat. And then we have our half rest. It looks like a hat. And on the opposite side, the half rest gets 2 beats. And then our whole rest, it kind of looks like a hole that you fall into. Oops. And then on the other side, the entirety of the measure. And finally, our 8th rest. And that gets half a beat. And that's it. Go ahead and add these to the practice pile and practice them as much as you can until they become very easy. And as always, have a great day.